Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all of my subscribers, and those of you who are not subscribed as yet, please subscribe. Also guys, hit the post notification bell so that you can be notified when next I upload a video. Please give this video a thumbs up, share the video guys, and please drop a comment. So guys, I'm gonna be making today a cough and cold immune booster juice. I'm gonna be using 2 lemons, 3 inches of cucumber, 3 inches of pieces of ginger, 1 cucumber, 2 pineapples. Also guys, I'm gonna list the benefit of the juice and the benefits of the juice and the ingredients in the description box. I'm gonna also give you a little rundown of the benefits while I juice. So we're gonna start with our pineapple. We're gonna start, and everything is already washed and clean guys. So the benefit of the pineapple is the ultimate natural flu fighter. Pineapple shows that fruits in anti-inflammatory enzyme bromelain help boost your immune system and fight against colds and flu. Also, ginger has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which may help soothe an irritated throat and airways caused by coughing. Also guys, cucumber are a powerful food to eat or juice when sick, as they are 95% water. This means the cucumber will keep you hydrated, which is essential for flushing toxins built up from the flu out of your system. Lemon, on the other hand, contain vitamin C, and vitamin C can shorten the duration of cold. So let's get started guys. Okay guys, start it up. If I have a bowl here, I'm going to put it in here. It's clean. Get rid of the Also guys, you can boil the pineapple skin and make tea with it. You could also do that. See, this one is not so great. Let's see. So Sorry about the noise, guys. Okay, this one, the pineapple, it's not so great. I'm gonna throw it away. So we're gonna use part of the whole. Okay guys, I'm gonna lightly peel the cucumber. It's organic, but I'm just choosing to lightly peel it. Now I'm gonna cut it. Okay, put it in the bowl. Okay. Also, guys, let's like scrape a little of the ginger. Let's put this. This is the cucumbers and the pineapple. Gonna just scrape it a little. Nice and strong. And guys, I love my ginger very strong in my juice. So if you think the amount I'm using gonna be a little too strong for you, you could, you know, use a little less. But I love it strong. I'm using roughly like 3 pieces of 3 inches. That's what I'm using. But you could use 1.5 if you think it's gonna be too strong for you. 1.5 inch. Gotta break it up so I can scrape it up. Guys, we're not gonna juice the lemon, we're just gonna squeeze it and add it to our juice. pot. Everything else we're gonna put it in the juicer, or if you have a blender, you can use your blender. Or your magic bullet, whichever one you have, you can use. Okay. Okay guys, we're gonna just wash them up. Okay, let's start juicing. One in my ginger fell in my, gotta get it out. Okay, guys. I'm gonna have to throw it out now. Pour it out. Okay, guys, I'm gonna juice the lemons now and add it to the juice. This is what I'm gonna be using to juice my lemon. Oops, cannot throw it away. juice in the lemon, guys. So that's about it for the lemons. Do a little cleaning up. We're gonna add the rest of the juice here. There you have it. Now we're gonna add our lemons. 2 little seed guidance. I'm just taking it out. That's it. The lemon juice. Add it in. And guys, I'm gonna just mix it a little. Prepare the pot. And we're gonna put it in our mason jars right away, guys, so we can keep it fresh and keep all the nutrients in there. And you put it in your freezer right away if you're not drinking it. So keep all the nutrients, everything in the juice. And you could store it in the fridge for 2 days in your mason jar, or you could store it in the freezer for up to 3 to 5 days. So there you have it, guys. My cough and cold immune booster. There you have it. It's cold and flu season, guys, so you can make this drink and drink it, and it will go very well. I'm not a doctor, but this is what I do for my family, so I'm just sharing it. So thank you guys for watching. Please, guys, share, give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment, guys, and please hit the post notification bell so you can be notified when next I upload a video. And guys, please subscribe, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.